era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. We're live from the San Andres Sports Complex in Malate, Manila. As Ateneo getting that first serve. Dongallo immediately going to work for UP.
Of Ateneo.
Cortez. Free ball for UP. Moseja though unable to take off. Lomoxo off the block. She finally scores. Kaya niyan.
Yes, Salazar.
Salazar, di ba?
Yes. But she was recovering from an ace.
Cortez. Hora from the left side, the lefty pounding it in. Plays basketball in San Sebastian. One of those family of athletes. Oh, nice rejection from Fina Ali.
Good time.
2. Bump set by Cortez. Hora again. 3 consecutive blocks.
System, and that's on me. But today, the team is focused on rebuilding, slowly and patiently. We start from zero. One step back, order first because order leads to discipline and discipline leads to transition.
Nashima, dug up by Capistrano. Hinabol na lang at itinawid ni Dongallo. Fiona Arroyo sets up Tsunashima who breaks through the block.
That was a quality rally.
When she became a setter because the size obviously is there. As Cassie Dongallo.
In high school in California.
Yeah, this is the very same building where they won the championship. Back in the Shakey's Girls Volleyball Invitational League. Naalala ko nagko-over tayo nun dito, di ba? Dito rin nagsimula yun. I mean, it's nice to look back at that. As Dongallo this time is denied. 14-7. De Leon. Tinawid na lang. Cortez. Shoots it up to Lomoxo.
But earlier, UP scoring a lot of those blocks.
It's just unfortunate. Oh, the hammer from Cassie Dongallo.
Clean kill.
Cortez sa likod, Lomoxo. Capistrano ulit. This time pinuntaan si Fina Ali. Nandoon si Tsunashima. Cortez sa gitna and Giga had to adjust.
Their former teammates, whether
Right.
that was their teammates in the G-Ville, Bacolod Taitong players supporting Casey Cortez, Gian Chuadico. Almost half that lineup switched here by Coach Cherio in the first set.
Pasha gets that one to go.
In this first technical timeout, UP with 8-2, but Ateneo managed to climb up that deficit, although still kind of a slow movement coming from their end.
Yeah. Both teams actually. Ang lamang. Dongallo elevates and detonates. Points away from securing set number 1. Pasha was set back there. Sa UP ang bola. Fina Ali. De Leon. Binalikan si Dongallo sa bandang kanan. And she punctuates. Shakey's from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, fam.
Both former teammates.
Haboneta from the pipe. De Leon. Nicely done for the Blue Eagles. Ano ma-score natin ngayon? 3-0 na.
Good start this time for the Blue Eagles.
Gajero elevates. And she scores.
Too powerful of wherein I think the libero, Capistrano, collided with her as well. But could be either that could...
For them to strike. Isa. Gajero. Nandoon si Arroyo. Pero yung kanyang first ball, papunta dun sa the past couple of sequences.
Some adjustments on the setting.
Zay Pasha from the right pin. From all the way from Visayas, ngayon nasa Maynila na sila. So kahit magkakasama sila, ibang environment ito for them, Kayla.
Definitely, that's a big adjustment and a lot of getting used to easy task, definitely physically and even more so mentally, to come back from a grueling
years. As a rookie, she knows the privilege of every minute on the court. Coach gives us so many chances, sabi nga niya, and we're grateful for every single one. Now, moving away from home isn't easy. Now, the jersey may be new, but the heart behind it has been blue all along. Back to you, Ken and Kayla.
Thanks so much, Fiona. It's all
yan in the San Andres gym for these Bacolod Taytong girls.
Nasabi ko sa iyo, Kayla, ang daming mga taga-Bacolod Taytong High School dito. Ateneo, meron sa UP, sa Binild, meron din. It's a grand reunion, kulang na lang.
The sequence.
So ang score natin, lamang pa din ng UP, pero naibaba na ng Ateneo. Pero 5 sila dyan, no? From UP. In UP rather, na galing California Academy. Oh, Hermosura! Breaks through that was volleyball MVP. Fujimoto desperately tried to keep it in. Zay Pasha from the left pin. Nice pickup by Haboneta. It sets up Jelay Gajero, who puts in by 6.
It's a good serve by Fujimoto.
Rising up is Kian Olango. Picked up there by Tax. Sa gitna, Baklay. Fujimoto. Pinuntahan si Nisperos. Oh!
They had 0 blocks compared to UP's 5 in that first set. And so far, I don't think they've got a kill block in the second set.
It's still alive though. Nicely done from Fiona Arroyo. Oh, but Casey Madriaga.
Better receive from Ateneo.
Oh, nice execution. Pasha setting up Isa. Isa falls down.
He's committed the same error twice or multiple times. And of course, wanting to correct that right away.
Oh man, Jelay keys from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family and pizza at Shake.
Dongalio. Again, 7 errors for Ateneo in that second set. They really have to limit that in this third if they want to push this game into extended play.
That's
Dongalio, one of the top scorers alongside Ali. Ooh, but
Play goes on. Haboneta, back to Jelay Gajero, picked up by Nisperos. De Leon will just get it across. Olango loading up.
good save by Pasha.
Junashima. Fernandez from the back. Olango had to adjust and...
Good on the side of UP.
I think when you observe Ateneo, Kayla, I don't know if you'll agree with me on this. It's more mental more than anything else.
Yes, you can see they seem a bit erratic when you look at them.
On defense, he also told the girls to be more aware, to adjust, and to move in. But more than just technical advice, he believes in the girls, telling them you already know this. Now the game isn't over, so they have to keep fighting until the very last point. Back to you, Ken and Kayla.
Thank you so much. Coverage, net defense.
Actually, coverage plays a huge role in the confidence of a spiker.
Yeah.
Knowing your teammates are there to cover that ball just in case you get blocked, and right on cue again.
Madriaga from the left pin. Haboneta gets it across and in.
To a drop shot.
Oh man, Ateneo is out of sorts. Oh man, they are in disarray right now.
So struggling to get that first ball up.
Zay Pasha gets that one in. Now, let's not discredit what UP is doing because, well, but again, when you talk about these two teams, both of them actually trying to make it to the Final Four again after missing. Di tayo pina-price last time, Kayla. Ganda ng performance as a courtside reporter.
Quick to bounce back and get that momentum right back on their side.
Isa pang dilemma nila, Kayla, is given how deep this team is. Who's gonna be their main six? And dito rin siya nagpakilala sa San Andres. The Shakey's Girls Volleyball Invitational League.
UP 2 points away from bagging this match. Discussing some plays, and we see right away Jen Umayam convert.
Points yung Ateneo. He called for time. Similar case here in set number 3. And that's gonna do it. UP cruising along to this very comfortable win over Ateneo. And